can you tell one activity which you automated?
Actually, earlier there is a no barcode scanner in my
Exactly.
shop. Yeah,
Yes.
I implement that so that this task anybody can do. No
Yes.
one is required for that. This one
With
task
the
is
less
automated
efforts,
task.
with the less efforts,
Yes, sir.
with the less time, you can complete that activity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So barcode generation, so that price tag, so automatically will be there. You are not required to stitch manually. Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, wonderful,
And
wonderful.
I am personally not required to present there. Anyone
Okay,
can handle that.
perfect, perfect. So any other activity you delegated? You are telling some activities, whatever possible activities I delegated. Like yes, which activity you delegated in your
My
business?
little brother, yes, sir. I delegate all the management thing to my younger brother.
Okay,
He involved in that. I just uh, means overlook if anything is required or not. Other than that, I am not involving in that thing because
okay.
that not required my fully involvement.
Because you build the
I
system, that system is
yes sir,
going to be monitored by your younger brother.
yes
Just
sir,
if
many
anywhere your presence is required, then only you are going to spend the time. Otherwise, you are not
yes
required.
yes sir, yes
Yes, excellent. Excellent. So, next you are telling the third point. So, now I'm concentrating on higher level activities, which are
yes sir,
really matters. Like,
yes sir.
which higher level activity? Can you tell one activity?
Actually, purchasing low cost good is my main thing. Because of that business, we can earn more profit. So
Yes,
I'm only thinking on that where I can get that and how to increase or scale up my business. I'm on thinking on that. And other thing is that sir, I'm also thinking on which next thing I can build.
excellent, excellent. So in your store related in your business, so if you want to get main profit, because obviously all the people are doing the business for the profits only. If you want to get more profit, you require to buy the items at low cost. So
Yes sir.
which channel is going to provide low cost? Now you are in the position to dig that.
Yes
Correct,
sir. Yes
right?
sir.
Now you are
Yes
going
sir.
to dig that activity. Wonderful.
Yes sir.
Next, what
Because
next thing I can build? This is the you are thinking about. Yeah, excellent. You are telling something, Nikhil.
yes sir. Because of this delegation and automation, I have time for that sir.
Excellent.
Earlier was I only in one in management and all that thing. So I don't have time for that.
So earlier, full busy morning to evening. Everywhere your presence must be required. Correct, right? Nikhil.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Everywhere
Yes sir.
your presence must be required. Morning to evening, you are busy. You are not having the time to concentrate on higher level activities. You are not having the time at least to think also.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now I hope you have free time.
Yes sir.
Can I use the word who not how series and buy back your time? Changes your way of doing the things,
Yes sir.
changes your way
Changes.
of thinking, changes your way of behaving.
Yes sir.
Correct,
Definitely.
right?
Yes, I always think about how can I save my time. This is biggest thing happen with me, sir.
Excellent, excellent, Nikhil. Wonderful. So, for all, I'm telling for you people, not only for Nikhil case, for any business owner, if you want to save your time, if you want to save your energy, who not have and buy back your time, these two can solve your biggest problems. Believe me, with respect to the time, with respect to the energy. Okay, sir, so that you can concentrate on higher level activities, so strategies, okay, to grow your business. Yes, Nikhil is telling wonderful way. So now I'm having some free time to think about where I will get the items at low price so that I will get more profits. Like now I'm in it. So Or what about your regular business activities? He delegated all those activities with his younger brother. Wonderful. Yeah, excellent, Nikhil. Excellent, excellent. Very happy to listen all these.